In the complex world of defense technology, precision and reliability are paramount. But what happens when a critical missile component faces porosity, cracks, underfill, and hardness challenges that could compromise human lives?
We were facing a dire situation. Our missile components were plagued with forging quality issues that resulted in failures and threatened lives. We searched high and low for a solution, but disappointment followed us.
For over a year, precious time slipped through their fingers, and they found themselves in a race against uncertainty. Enter IQS Engineering Solutions, a name synonymous with innovation and excellence in delivering results. When the client challenged us, saying,
"You won't be able to manufacture,"
we accepted, not just a challenge but a mission to redefine possibilities. Armed with determination and the aluminum-grade A7075, our journey began. We embarked on a meticulous journey, drafting, modeling, and countless simulations, each cycle refining our path to perfection. Our journey starts in design, where drafts turn into simulations, and simulations into reality. Simulation is our safeguard against unforeseen challenges. Each detail scrutinized, every possibility explored. Hours of work distilled into moments of perfection. Precision was our obsession. Our state-of-the-art VMC machines meticulously carved the blueprint of success. In the intense heat of quality checks, we saw cracks that could shatter dreams. Undaunted, we got back to the drawing board, redesigned the die, and once again embraced the challenge. Through heat treatment, we molded the metal's resilience, battling relentlessly to achieve the desired hardness. The culmination of dedication, the result of sleepless nights, was the missile component that echoed excellence. But the mission didn't end there.
"We need 2,000 pieces in 8 to 10 days. Can you do it?"
Once again, the IQS team rose to the occasion, fueled by expertise and a manufacturing unit that worked as one. Our vertically integrated facility ensured precision at every step, from 3D modeling to forging and quality checking. The result? Perfection forged, lives safeguarded, and promises fulfilled.
IQS has been a game changer. We were tired of dealing with faulty solutions, but they've exceeded our expectations. Incredibly satisfied with their work.
IQS Engineering Solutions, where challenges ignite innovation and journey towards excellence. Perfection, precision, IQS. Contact us today for solutions that redefine possibilities.